Hello friends, welcome to Woodall's Wednesday Webcast, week number 90. All right, today I want to talk about getting off track, okay, and what you need to do. Now, all of us get off track, okay? We eat something we're not supposed to eat. We just say screw it and go out and get some fast food and ice cream and all kinds of stuff. It's going to happen, okay? A couple things you need to do. The first thing you need to do is recognize it, stop it, and turn around and get right back on plan. Okay? Recognize it, stop what you're doing, get right back on plan. Okay, that's the most important part. So what you want to do is you don't want a bad meal to turn into a week of bad meals. Then you're in trouble. Okay? Another thing with that is clients will be doing well with me and they'll have an extra cheat meal. Okay? Nothing will happen to their weight. Then they'll have another extra cheat meal. Nothing happens to their weight. Then they keep doing it and all of a sudden they've gained 25 pounds back. All right? That rings true to a lot of people watching this video probably. So, in regards to that, you can't just randomly cheat. Like I said, you can look how you want or eat what you want. You can't do both, okay? And you get a once-a-week cheat meal to do that, okay? So that's that part of it. Now, going back to the limiting the damage thing, okay, with time. So you don't want one meal to turn into a bad day, into a bad week, okay? If you are with me, if you're a client of mine and you have to send me your weight every day and you go off the rails and gain 4 pounds in a day, what are you going to not want to do? Send me your weight. So you don't. And this keeps on for 4 days. I'm texting you, you're not answering me. Finally, 4 or 5 days later, you say, "Oh, Ryan, I screwed up." And now you're up 5, 6, 7, 8 pounds. Okay, so one of the reasons I have a lot of reasons why I do the daily communication, but one of them is to keep you on track and accountable. If you're not going to have that, you're not going to be successful. Okay, if all we had to do was download something off the internet and do it, we'd all be skinny. It doesn't work that way. You have to be in a plan that works, and you have to have someone overseeing that plan that you're accountable to. Okay, that's how I feel. Okay, so being honest with yourself, no matter what, send me your weight every day. You have to know up here, every morning, you're going to weigh yourself, you're going to text me your weight, and I'm going to respond to you. You have to know that. Okay, by skipping it, and not texting me and not answering me when I'm texting you, asking if you're okay, you're just making that worse. Okay, so you want to recognize it and then limit the damage. Okay, so, the accountability part of this is so big and so important. Okay, like I said, we're all going to have this happen to us. You're honest about it, we correct it, we move on. And another thing is, some people don't like being accountable. They just don't. They've never had to be accountable to anyone in their lives. I've trained CEOs of major corporations. They're not used to people telling them how they're supposed to do stuff. They do what they want. So some people aren't used to that. Some people don't like it, but that's what I do. My clients hire me to help them, okay? Not leave them alone and let them do whatever they want, okay? If you want a trainer that's going to communicate with you once a week and just let you do whatever you want, not care, I'm not your guy. Okay, I am in your business. All right, that's what you hire me for. If I don't hear from you, I am contacting you. Okay, and that's how that works. So the accountability to this is huge. So when you make a mistake, stop it, get right back on plan. And you can't keep making mistakes over and over again or everything is going to go backwards. Okay, you're going to backslide and not be able to fix it. All right, so stick to the plan. When you slip up, correct it quickly, be honest about it, and move on. All right, love you guys.